What is up, guys, and welcome back to the DocMack Car Channel. If you landed on this video, the likely chance is that your BMW's gearbox is not operating as it should. Whether or not it is quite rough to shift, it doesn't shift smoothly, or when you're driving down the road, let's say you put your foot down a bit, the revs go too high and then it's such an aggressive change between gears, then I have got a great solution for you. Free solution, no machines needed, it's just a vehicle. So let's say if you lend a car to your friend, you normally drive like a normal human being, but your friend decides to have a lot of fun with the car. If they are quite an aggressive driver, then when you get back into the car and when you drive it, the gearbox is actually confused. So this will work for any adaptive BMW transmissions. So today I'm going to show you how you can reset that drive maps as well as the driver adaptations. So if you haven't already subscribed to my videos and my YouTube channel, consider subscribing if you haven't already, and also turn on your post notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to insert the key into the ignition slot, and then we are going to press the start button until you see all of these lights come up. What you want to do next is you want to put your foot on the accelerator and push it all the way down, and you want to hold it down for about 45 seconds. Now, when you're holding it down for 45 seconds, during that period, you should hear some sort of noise, static noise coming from the gearbox area. That will be the gearbox actually resetting the drive map settings as well as the driver adaptations. Now, after the 45 seconds is up, take your foot off the accelerator and make sure that the engine is turned off. Do not do this when the engine is turned on. You only need to have the ignition on. Once that has been done, you just need to put your foot on the brake and start the vehicle as you normally do, and the vehicle will start back up normally. And then now all you got to do is just drive and enjoy your new smooth gearbox. Comment down below, guys, did this gearbox reset actually help you? I'd like to know what make, model and year of car you tried it on, and whether you did notice any very noticeable difference in how the car actually shifts during the gear changes. You see, guys, see how simple that was? I've got a lot more tips and tricks, so consider subscribing to my channel, giving this a like, and also giving it a super thanks. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.